Well, hi everyone, welcome back to another tips and tricks episode of some of my top Mary Kay products. So one of the products that I was first introduced to when I joined Mary Kay was the oil-free eye makeup remover. Hands up if you remember it in the purple bottle, and how good was it? It was such a fantastic product back then. It was a cult, it was #1 in all of the magazines, everyone just loved it. And it still is a top selling product, and I sell heaps of them. I have extremely loyal customers to this product. I have one lady that buys 4 or 5 at a time. She just bulks up every year. So the oil-free eye makeup remover, it looks like this, and I don't know if you can see that. You can see there's 2 layers in the product there. So I don't want to get into a whole lot of ingredients. I don't know what they are. I don't bore my customers with the actual ingredients listing. If they want to see it, they can see it on the back of the box. That's my preference. Some people know all the ins and outs of it. But there's 2 types of ingredients here. Obviously, one is heavier than the other. Little tip, this does not work if you don't shake the bottle up. But if you shake those 2 ingredients together, this will not sting your eyes. It is an amazing product for taking off eye makeup. And I'm going to demonstrate just how easy it is. So that's a full bottle there. I'm just going to demonstrate from my bottle, which has got this much left, but you can still see the 2 layers as it goes down. It just is always the same. There's always the 2 layers. So basically I've got some lines on the back of my hand. I've just demoed the eye primer. So if you've missed that video, I'll link it down below on the benefits of eye primer and why you would want to wear it. But because they're eyeshadows, I'm also just going to put a line here. This is an old eyebrow pencil, which should be pretty resistant to most things. So basically what you're going to do is, when I'm at my appointments and I'm talking about this product, one of the first things that I get them all to do is, if they've got eye makeup on, then we're going to take that off if it's a skincare class, or even if it's a makeup class, because you want to, show them how well the product works. If it's a makeup party, then they're going to be putting eye makeup back on, so that's fine. If they don't want to take their eye makeup off, or they don't wear a lot of eye makeup, or it's a skincare party at nighttime and they don't want to be putting on anything afterwards, and normally what I'll get them to do is just with an eye pencil is write a little smiley face on the back of their hand so that they can do exactly this themselves. So then basically what you can do is take the product and shake it up. Normally I would use a cotton pad because it just makes it a little bit easier, but I'm out of them, so we've just got a cotton ball for today. And basically what I teach them is that you shake it, you squirt some onto the cotton pad, and then you hold it against your eye for 5 to 10 seconds, and you just want to hold it. You don't want to be dragging at your eyelashes, which most of them tend to want to do. They want to scrub in there and to get it all off, which is just damaging to the skin around the eyes, and it's going to pull your eyelashes out eventually. So what they want to do is to hold it, because that will soften the mascara and the eyeliner, and then you can start gently wiping down gently. And they'll find how easy that mascara comes off. So basically we're going to put some on the cotton pad. If we're demonstrating it on the back of the hand, I do it exactly the same way. I put it on the pad, and then I get them to just hold it on their hand for 5 to 10 seconds. And they all think I'm a bit nuts, but what happens is it's just softening it, and then you can wipe it away. And you can see there how easy that came off, and they're like oohing and ahhing because they're like, wow, that was amazing. Even waterproof makeup and everything, it just comes off, and then you just hold it again and wipe away. So, and then you can just gently wipe all of the rest of it off, and clean hand again, or clean eyes. So that is why I absolutely love our oil-free eye makeup remover. It is the most amazing product. I've been using it for 15 years. I've only ever tried one other product. It stung like I wouldn't believe, and it didn't take all my makeup off. I'd still wake up the next morning with black panda eyes, which I wasn't very impressed. So I would just never ever deviate away from this product. It's amazing. It's only $25 here in New Zealand, so it's really, really affordable. And I would say one of these bottles lasts me about 5 months. So $5 a month to take care of your eyes is an absolute bargain. So that's another one of my tips and tricks for my favorite Mary Kay products. I would love to hear what you think. Are you using this product? Is it your top seller? If you're a consultant, if you're a customer, then contact me because we need to get you onto it if you're not already onto it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tip and would love to hear what you think. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.